welcome back to this journey of Cryptoland, Cryptasic Park. Today we're talking about Akash network, AKT, because you wanted me to look at it, so let's do it on a daily, weekly, monthly. Let's make a full, detailed, technical analysis of where the price is going. And as you can see on the chart, the price is going up. Wow! Now you can click off. You heard everything you need. It's going up. This is super detailed analysis. Okay, now back to reality. Yes, it is going up, and yes, it could be going up some more. But it could be retraced to the level of 254. Why 254? Well, this is the level that was previous our pretty hard resistance. Not big resistance, but for a few days it made us a problem, and the price always like to do retest before continuing to the upside. Now, saying that, it's absolutely not mandatory for a price to do it. When you are in the region of above my band of 21 days, you can do a lot of things, and that is continuing to the upside without any retracement. So I'm just giving you a possibility. Could we go to the upside? Yes. Could we retrace to $2.5? Yes. Can we revisit the whereabouts of our band of 260? Yes, we can. And it would be perfectly normal and healthy and whatever. So currently we are at $3.09 at the making of this video, but a retracement to $2.5 is absolutely cool and necessary. I mean, not necessary for a new trajectory to the upside, but let's say healthy, okay? At this moment, absolutely nothing is giving us the vibe that we are going to the downside, and in the short term there is no bearish narrative, because we are in an upward trend, and this line is showing you everything you need to know. How should you approach my technical analysis? By realizing that this is a high buy zone and high entry point. By realizing that this zone is also a high entry point. So let's say they retrace into this area. Okay, we are here. What are you doing? Ta-da, you are buying, yeah. Because by the probability the price will continue to the upside. This could go parabolic at this point. It absolutely could, but should I buy here? Not really, because we are above the value zone. And one more thing, because we are in all its honesty in the resistance zone. If you combine this zone of interest with this one, you are getting this one. So retracement is highly possible. Now, when we retrace, if we retrace, there are two possible scenarios: breaking the resistance, go parabolic, breaking the support, and make some bearish weeks, okay? Now, if that is the case, then this would be a giant rising wedge, bearish reversal pattern that would put us in those lower regions. Not to calculate it at this moment. But if the crypto market goes crazy, we are breaking this resistance line. Rising wedges could also break to the upside, not always to the downside. Let's see. Akash is strong on the daily chart. Let's go into the weekly. How about that? There we go, weekly chart of Akash network, the coin I am looking at first time in the history of this channel, okay? You requested it, so I want to look at it. This is a bullish looking coin, the bullish looking chart. Everything around this coin is bullish, and probably you fundamental guys are telling that the narrative and what is about to change is also bullish. So let's do it. Let's be bullish. Here we are. We are so long now bullish that it hurts. I would say that we haven't broke the bullish narrative all the way from the May of last year. So this coin is a rightly called, let's say, the leader of the pack. We have the momentum. We have the price above the band. We have a perfect support at this point of 80 cents. And since then we haven't looked back. Now at some point we must retrace into this area, into our band. Currently this band is standing at $1.73. So if Akash retrace, it will probably do this. And just like with the daily chart weekly, it's also showing a hard resistance area that could become our hard support area. $1.37. So 173, 137. Hey, it's a lookalike. So maybe we retrace into this area and continue to the upside. But even if we lose much more, so it will be around 50% more, even more for Akash, we would still be in a bullish uptrend. Okay, something like that. could be happening. It's not out of the picture. But these kinds of moves are necessary just to shake you out, for you to believe that the bull move is over and that we are in the bear. We are not in the bear trenches anymore. It's over, man. For Akash particularly, the bear ended, well, I would say in the May of 2023. This was still a testing phase in the January of 2023. But in May, we made a significant signature, and since then, haven't looked back. We want a price prediction to the upside? Nah, I will leave it like this. I don't want you to think about the prices where we could be going. I want you to think of the downside and upside at the same time to be a good investor, okay? Should you take something off the table? You should. And let me tell you, is this a good buying point at this moment? It absolutely isn't. Can Akash go to the upside even more? Absolutely. It could now go, as we said, if we break that resistance line on the daily channel, it will go parabolic right at this moment. But it doesn't mean that this is a great entry point. The perfect entry point was around here. November of last year. This was retest. This was above this band. This was the time when you should be entering above $1. Now at 3, well, you could earn some bucks, but you could be hurting pretty much half of your investment. Now I see by the volume that Akash has merged a lot of interest, a lot of people, and okay, I'm done with it. This coin has a future. Technically speaking, we are making higher highs in volume. Nothing is showing the signs of stopping. And by losing even 50%, that's not stop for me. That's just a healthy retracement. Now I want to go to the monthly chart. Okay, are you with me? Okay, cool. Damn, such an interesting chart. Dangerous chart, I must say, but also interesting. Let me tell you what I think about it. Volume is incredible. Look at this. This is 2021 and we are crushing it. Akash really has something going on. Now, keep in mind, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 4 months in a row we are in an uptrend. Should we expect some retracement? Well, hell yeah, of course we should expect some retracement. But we have the perfect alignment of the band with jaws wide open. Akash will definitely not stop at this moment. And I'm rightfully to say that we will reach those all-time highs that we had in 2021. No questions asked. It's only a matter of time, and it's only the question of the scenario. Are we going to retrace into this high buy zone? Or are we going to continue and make 5th or 6th month in a row? No one can tell by now. I must say just that Akash is looking bullish on every chart that I looked today. Now, if we even draw this Fibonacci from the previous all-time highs to the previous all-time lows, you can see that Akash is showing no signs of stopping at any of 23, 38, 50, 61. Now, for me, it is of big importance that we show a real strength when approaching 61.8% retracement. It was around $1.84. Akash did show that strength in the December of last year. Now, if we can hold this level, it's rocket fuel. People, what do you want me to say? Daily, weekly, monthly bullish, Akash network is great opportunity for the coming months. Maybe this is our cap at 3.5 and then little retracement before the parabolicness. This is still not parabolicness. Yeah, it looks like it, but nah. You will see parabolicness when the ignition of the fuel in Bitcoin and Ethereum and all those friends starts. We are still not at that part of the market. Okay? So this could be the top, but saying that, I wouldn't bet on it. Akash is ramping up. So, are you able to endure a retracement in a Akash network? If you are, then you're in the right spot. If you aren't, my dinosaur will tell you just one thing.